Hey guys, how's it going? How to start a blog on Bluehost in minutes. So first of all, you need to go ahead to the official website of Bluehost and select your plan. And if you want to buy a subscription, please visit the link in the description box to get the best offer. Okay. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the official website of Bluehost. And first of all, if you want to start a blog, you need to pick a perfect blog name. Okay, choosing the right name for your blog is crucial step in building your online presence. Stay with your blog's focus. What's your blog about? That's your foundation. If you're writing about a specific niche like fitness, traveling, or personal finance, your name should reflect that. Okay, keep it short and memorable. No one likes a name that's hard to spell or remember. Keep it short, catchy, and easy to type, and make it descriptive. Right? Successful blog name gives an idea of what your blog is about without being overly literal. Okay, without being overly literal. Okay, so basically consider using your name. If your blog is more personal or covers a range of topics, using your own name or a variation can work really well. Right? Think about bloggers like Jane Doe, right, or adventures with Jane Doe. Okay, pick the right domain extension. Once you've logged in a name, it's time to think about the domain extension. Choosing a .com is the gold standard because it's what most people type by default. But if .com is taken, .net or .org are solid options too. Right? The key is to keep it simple. No spaces, no hyphens, no numbers. Next step, you need to select a reliable blog hosting provider. Right? Recommended Bluehost. Once you've picked out your blog name, the next step is to get your blog online. Don't worry, this part might sound technical, but it's actually simple when you follow the right steps. And the best part, you don't need to be tech expert to do that. Right? To make your blog accessible to the world, you need two things: blog hosting and blogging software. Hosting is where all your blogs files are stored and delivered to users when they type in your domain. Without hosting, your blog cannot exist online. And basically, if you want to use Bluehost as a way to start your blog, they recommend Bluehost cloud hosting for several reasons, which ensure better performance, scalability, and reliability compared to traditional hosting options. This makes it an excellent choice, especially if you're new to blogging. Okay, so now let's scroll a little bit down. We need to set up WordPress and get started, of course. Log into your Bluehost account if you want to know how to do that. And basically, after you selected your plan and everything, right, find the WordPress installation button, okay, in your website. If you want to add a site, just go ahead and click install WordPress. Next, fill in your blog details. You'll be prompted to enter your blog's name and tagline. Do not worry, you can always change these later. Okay, next, select your domain name. Bluehost will ask you to choose the domain you registered for. Select your domain from the drop down menu. All right, and if you want to see it a little bit better to get a better visual, okay, and then access the AI builder. Okay, and the AI builder, after logging in to Bluehost dashboard, from there you will find the option to start building your WordPress using AI builder. Choose AI creator and then click on get started. Okay, and then complete installation, and then Bluehost will handle the rest. Okay, if you want to explore the WordPress dashboard, once WordPress is installed, you'll be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. Here's a quick overview of the essential areas you will want to familiarize yourself with, like posts, pages, appearance. Okay, if you want to see it closely, right? Pages, appearance, and plugins, of course, settings, and then by now you are well on your way to launching your new blog. Okay, And next, for the next step is to customize, of course, your blog's design and theme. This is optional, but for you, all you gotta know is how to start a blog, and we taught you that step by step. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.